In this section of the SOLIDPLANT 2014 demo, I'll be showing you how to place a structural member and then use the SOLIDWORKS pattern features to pattern it across. I will be using the Draw Structure Member function on the Structure toolbar. We click on that function. This activates a sketch for us with our Sketch Line tool active. We will sketch a line across these two members here. And then I will place a dimension to locate it relative to the end of the structure. And we'll set this to 800. And then we exit the sketch. Now, when we exit the sketch, our structure database opens up and we can select the beam we want to use. In this case, I'll select a Japanese industrial standard beam. We will go with the angle beam. And we'll select this one right here. And we hit OK, and the structure is placed along our sketch line. Now, to place more structures, we'll use a SOLIDWORKS feature of the linear pattern. You select the linear pattern feature. We select any edge or sketch line for a direction, enter a spacing distance, and then we can enter in or use the scroll buttons to see how many of the item we will copy. And we will scroll down to the bottom. We will select the bodies to pattern box. We select our structural beam we just placed, and you can see the preview that it places all of our structure beams nicely patterned across the top.